Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on Redux. Get state from the Redux store. So we learned before that the point of Redux is to manage state. And there's a list of methods that we can have access to through Redux. And one of them is get state. And what this does is that it gets the current state of the store. So we can look at here, we're creating a store through the redux.createStore method we talked about before. And we can look here that the current state is equal to 5. And now it returns that state. So now we can get that state. So to do that, we can use the store.getState method. So it wants us to do that. So store.getState. So we get the store here, and it's a store. So we can use this method to get state. And now it wants us to assign this to a new variable current state. So const current state and set it equal to this. And now that should be it. We could console log the current state and it should be 5. Great. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.